So that time I was playing with using the kick still. Okay. But when I took this out, I didn't draw it. I kept it in the saya. You okay? Yeah. So this is hicho. I'm using this hammer and anvil style. And then this kicks out. Okay, so that can either kick out to the knee or to the other hand. So as he comes down, bang, this is where this gets sandwiched. I'm holding this back because it's very dangerous for David here. But you guys could imagine. See how I kicked the knee there? Or it could have kicked the other hand too. You guys got the concept? Bringing this down on top, and then it sandwiches here. You see how I've got this? Right. So hammer and anvil here, and then this kicks. You see how that happened? So I have it in my belt here, and then as he cuts, it gets sandwiched. Okay. So here I could hit him with the saya or throw some metsubushi and then finish the job, right? So I'm sandwiching his kote between my knee and the suba, right? You guys understand? Please try it.